Today's kids or youths are tomorrow's citizens. So, to prepare a proper citizen, they should be studious, concentrative, and to be operative to handle the responsibility with them. To have a good citizen, one step in this direction is Mitra Upakram. The word Mitra comes from mind in training right awareness. That means having control over one's mind. This is a joint venture of Vipassana Research Institute Igatpuri and Government of Maharashtra Education Department. This Mitra Upakram covers the training of Mitra meditation daily 10 minutes, two times to the students from 5th to 12th standard. It is expected to cover the around 8 lakh teachers and around 3 crore students in Maharashtra. It is commonly also called Anapan meditation. It is a Hindi or Pali word. An means coming breathe inside and apan means going breathe outside the body. This is simply a meditation technique in which the incoming and outgoing breath is to be watched by the kids.
In any posture that suits you, keep your back and your neck straight. Keep your eyes gently closed. Those who wear spectacles should pay entire attention. Entire attention on the area at the entrance of the nostrils. The area at the entrance of the nostril. In every breath going out. Natural breath, normal breath, as it is, as it is. If it is long, it is long. If it is short, it is short.
Due to regular practice of this Mitra Upakram or Anapan meditation, the awareness and concentration in the students increases and it reflects in their mental good health. Due to this, the bad habits or bad impurities in the mind, they become thinner and thinner. For example, tension, guilty feeling, depression, hatredness, anger, greed, then unawareness, loss of concentration, and laziness. These bad elements they become thinner and converts into and they develops into concentration, then mindful study, self awareness, alertness, then good decision power, confidence, and cooperative social building nature, efficiency, and joyous, uh, joyful, healthy nature is increased. Due to this, I feel to be have social and friendly with my class colleagues. Due to this meditation, I feel very joyous and studious. My concentration in study increases, and what teacher writes on the board, I can understand now speedily and easily. Due to this meditation, our uh, playing power also develops. Previously, In Kabaddi, my entry was not proper. Now my entry is proper and I play joyously and concentratively. Previously, I was lazy to attend the school, but now I regularly attend the school heartfully. Due to Anapan, the mind becomes very normal and cheerful. I became ill time to time, but due to this meditation, my illness is decreasing and my school presence is increasing. Concentration increases, so my general awareness increases. I started reading the general knowledge also. Previously, I was disturbing the other colleagues, but now I am not doing such disturbance to others. In fact, I enjoy playing. When Anapan started in our school, I was thinking, oh, it is not necessary, why I should do? But continuous habit gives me good positivity, and now I am very happy with this meditation. Previously, I was not working in the home or in the class, but now I am doing my self work and my awareness also increases. Previously, mathematics was a very difficult subject to me, but now I can understand mathematics and feel uh, good regarding the mathematics teacher. Due to Anapan meditation, creates extra energy in us, which help us to play and enjoy the study time. My percentage increases due to this meditation. In the ninth standards, I was disturbing to the Anapan meditators, but now in the 10th standard, I like it and I am cooperative nature. Handwriting becomes good and I like meditation. Due to Anapan, I forget the other things and get concentrated in the study. Due to this, self awareness increases and respecting others, a good habit develop in me. Due to this meditation, I get proper sleep and proper awareness for study. Previously, I was quarreling with others, but now I am become silent. Previously, I was fearing for subjects, but now I take interest in such boring subjects. Tiredness in me decreases, and this covers the study concentration. Previously, I had lot of defilements in my mind regarding the teachers also, but now it vanishes and I respect teachers and also increases my study. I was assuming that anchoring is not for me, but now I have become a best anchor with this meditation. This meditation is helpful to the teachers also because they experience that to control the students now become very simpler as compared to others previously. Then they also experience the students get uh, self studied and while teaching experience the uh, energetic experience. Teacher also experience their calmness in the mind, also the mental and physical development of the health and efficiency and confidence also increases. Due to this, the relation also develops and the loveness in the society increases. I noticed some students were very uneasy to concentrate and now experiencing their concentration is developed. I experience the students are now having confidence and their interrelations also becomes good. And while teaching, we get satisfaction. After continuous 1 year of meditation, I found that the school result increases by 4.5%. Apart from study concentration, I noticed one good thing that their bad habits are now becoming vanish. For example, if previously they were thefting the pen pencil of others, but now they in fact found someone's pen or the book, they returned to the office. We notice the cleanliness habit also developed among them, and also the group competition increases. For example, essay competition, previously they were fearing, but now they come 2 steps forwards. They develop competition for in the essay competition. I also notice while giving examination, we sit them 10 minutes earlier and take their meditation so they remember their answers very properly and speedily and correctly. I also noticed that the students are their habits are good habits are increasing. Particularly, they are also facing proper diversion to the sex factor. For example, previously the bad writing in the gents toilet is becoming less and less, and also teaching to the girls also becomes less. If I get lesser time, still in the lesser time I can teach properly because the concentration of the class is increased and they remember and understand the points properly. I noticed that the communication skill among the students is now becoming very good. Also noticed that myself, as I have done Vipassana, decreases my tension, and now I can teach concentratively and I understand the problems of the students more correctly than previously. Our school has approximately 2000 kids, particularly from the Jugga Jhapdi area, and they were anxious to leave the school. But now, due to this Anapan meditation, they stick up to the periods, and in fact, after coming to the school or while going to the school, they themselves insist for taking the Anapan meditation. Though the students are from poor category and illiterate family, their communication skill is now developing and attraction to study is also increasing. Now, I am not recording the next part because it is related to the manual type of meditation, and this English keep is specially made for the digital transformation.